In this video, we're going to be doing another Amazon listing and PPC audit for a product called Bone and Brew. This is a friend of ours, a friend of the agency, and he's a really good marketer as well. But we're going to look at his listing and kind of see if we can help improve it at all. Otherwise, it's pretty good. So the first thing we're going to do is type their brand name in, Bone plus Brew, into the search. And the first thing I notice is that somebody else is dominating their sponsored brand area. So they could take this area up. Since they only have one product, what I would do is a 1-pack, 3-pack, 6-pack to be able to get that sponsored brand area. And of course, like a 3-pack at 2.25x price, and then a 6-pack for buy 4 get 2 free. So that's what I would do. It's kind of the first thing that I notice. And then you could also take up more of these spaces with the 3-pack and 6-pack.
But I really like the packaging. I like how it just completely stands out. The wording on the packaging and search is really good.
Yeah. So
is there a video ad?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a video.
Okay.
So here's the video ad. So video ad looks good, and then also the first in the sponsored products as well. Could probably have some benefits to the product in the video ad.
Yeah.
But it's good to see what's like actually in what it looks like and everything. All right, moving on to the listing.
I like the yellow there. It really stands out in the background for product photos. So product photo idea for future.
And they have another different video.
I think this is
kind of showing you what's in it and what to expect and what it looks like. That one's good. And this looks like a review. So same thing, showing them what's kind of in the box is always good to have. Title looks good. This is a big keyword. Coffee alternative, bone broth. And bullets look good too.
The first 2 bullets are basically the same thing, just being repeated.
Yeah. Good point. And then they're also getting dominated on all their sponsored display. These are all different products, and then even up here. So that's where those variations would come in, because they only have the one product. And you can see that this sponsored display ad is paying off because they're getting the frequently bought together, and they're also doing the sponsored product targeting ad right here. So it's really paying off for them. So they're helping with the traffic from them. But yeah, the variations could help kick these down more and get more sales on their product. Looks like they're getting quite a few, not just 2 of the videos. EBC looks good. They can also add a brand story.
Yeah, because he's got a good brand story with his email list. How for years and years, different doctors had told him to do Bone and Brew, and it tasted bad, so he came up with one that tasted good. So brand story would be really good in this. To start this A+ content off.
And if you guys haven't tried this, it is really good. Same thing here,
Tastes like
variations.
Tastes like coffee.
Tastes like creme brulee.
Oh.
Vanilla. And the reviews are overall pretty good. 4.3. Yeah, just some minor improvements, but nothing too major. Mostly Amazon PPC related, of needing more sponsored or product targeting ads on their listing. Anything else to add?
I saw he has 3 negative reviews, 1 stars from within the last month or so. So he could probably either go in and respond to those on his listing to help other people, or try and have them removed.
Or do a reach out from Seller Central to provide a refund or solve an issue.
Yep.
Are there any positive reviews with photos? There was one video review, right?
Here's some photos.
Oh, good.
Audit.
Yeah, so people are happy with it.
Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be, and that is why we created this channel. On top of Amazon PPC, we're going to share different tactics and strategies that we've used to build a multi-million-dollar business, as well as the strategies that we're using to build a $100 million company, which is our goal. We don't know how we're going to get there yet, but that's our goal, and we want to take you along for the ride. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great business building and Amazon PPC strategies.